The southwest monsoon has moved further today, now covering parts of the southeast Arabian Sea, Maldives, Comorin area, and parts of the South Bay of Bengal and Andaman region. Conditions remain favorable for its further advance over the next 3 to 4 days. Meanwhile, parts of Goa saw light rain and thunder showers on Wednesday night. The yellow alert is in place until the 16th, but rain is forecast till the 20th. The southwest monsoon continues its slow but steady progress, and according to IMD, favorable conditions will likely push the monsoon further into the central Bay of Bengal and other adjoining areas over the next few days. In Goa, the upper air cyclonic circulation that has now shifted to north interior Karnataka continues to influence local weather patterns, bringing brief spells of rain, thunder showers, and lightning to the state. While the IMD has not extended the yellow alert beyond the 16th, rain is still expected through the 20th. Friday's forecast points to mostly dry and humid weather during the day, with chances of rain increasing in the evening. The maximum and minimum temperatures are expected to hover around 35 and 27 degrees Celsius respectively. Meanwhile, as monsoon currents push further north, residents can expect increased cloud cover and occasional showers in the days to come, although no severe weather warnings are in place for now. Scattered rain, thunder showers, and lightning reported across Goa on Wednesday night. Yellow alert for Goa valid till 16th May, rain forecast extended till 20th. Friday forecast, hot humid day, rain likely toward the evening. Maximum and minimum temperatures on Friday 35 degrees Celsius and 27 degrees Celsius respectively. High humidity continues, real feel will be hotter than actual readings. No severe weather warnings in place for now, but increased cloud cover and brief showers expected. Citizens advised to stay hydrated, avoid afternoon sun, and be prepared for evening showers. Bureau Report, Goa 365 with inputs from IMD.